Hi, myself Hamza. I am working as a scaffolding coordinator in Dubai. So I come here to Simian skill for the scaffolding supervisor and the inspection course. Okay, so it is always good to update and to get about more knowledge and to know what is the current update in the industry practice. It is always recommended to go this kind of courses. And when it comes to the welfare, Simian is doing a really good job. Let's say the hospitality of the people and the professionals, those who are here, who are giving the lecturers, and the lunch preparation from them, and the practical room facility which they are having here is really in a very good way. And I thank to Simian for doing this kind of effort to always be the best, and I am wishing them to be success in the future as well. Thank you.